Welcome to the Zyronth channel. Today, we are traveling to one of the most mysterious worlds in the solar system, an icy dwarf planet that orbits so far from the Sun that even daytime there seems like nothing more than the light of a dim star. This is Eris. Is it possible that the outer reaches of the solar system still hide secrets today that could fundamentally change our understanding of the universe? Could it be that we should look for the signs of life not light years away, but right here in our own cosmic neighborhood? In this documentary, we will explore the frozen surface of Eris, peer into its interior, get to know its moon, and discover why this distant world changed our conception of the solar system forever. Stay with me until the end of the video, because Eris is much more extraordinary than you might think at first glance. On the outer rim of the solar system, far beyond the orbit of Neptune, a tiny, extremely cold world orbits in the darkness. This is Eris, one of the most distant known dwarf planets ever discovered. Eris is located at an average distance of nearly 10 billion kilometers from the Sun. The sunlight here is already so weak that the Sun appears merely as an extremely bright star in the sky. The surface temperature can reach as low as minus 230 degrees Celsius, making this world one of the coldest known objects in the solar system. The dwarf planet was discovered in 2005 by a research team of astronomers.
The data suggests Eris is larger
Its size
than
and
Pluto.
mass
Pluto's
immediately
diameter is 2
caught
feet
the
27
attention of the
but its
scientific
mass is
world,
greater.
as it initially appeared that it could be even larger than Pluto. This discovery ultimately sparked such a significant debate that astronomers redefined the concept of a planet. As a result, both Pluto and Eris were classified as dwarf planets. The diameter of Eris is approximately 2,326 kilometers, meaning it is very similar in size to Pluto. However, its mass is about 27% greater, which suggests that its interior contains a significant amount of rock in addition to ice. The surface is extremely bright and frozen. It is covered by layers of nitrogen, methane, and other volatile ices. Eris is one of the most reflective bodies in the solar system. It reflects a significant portion of the sunlight hitting it, making it appear unusually bright, even from a distance. Observations by the James Webb Space Telescope have confirmed the presence of water ice covering much of its surface. The telescope detects this by analyzing how sunlight is reflected and absorbed by different materials in infrared wavelengths. Beneath Eris's extremely cold ice crust, temperatures are believed to be far below freezing. While no subsurface ocean has been discovered, some scientists continue to explore the possibility that internal heat could have allowed liquid water to exist deep beneath the ice in the distant past, or perhaps in isolated regions even today. At this time, a hidden ocean remains a scientific hypothesis, not a confirmed discovery. Every new observation brings us closer to understanding this distant world. Eris may simply be an icy dwarf planet, but it is also possible that it hides secrets that could open an entirely new chapter in the exploration of the solar system. In May 2020, the New Horizons spacecraft observed Eris from afar, from more than 100 astronomical units away. It was only a fleeting glimpse from the edge of the Kuiper Belt. That remains the closest any spacecraft has ever come to this distant, icy world. Yet, there are currently no plans to send a probe to Eris. There is no approved mission, no funded program, no active development of a dedicated spacecraft for this remote dwarf planet in the foreseeable future. The ambitious mission concepts studied in the 2000s, flybys that would have taken nearly 25 years with a Jupiter gravity assist, remain nothing more than calculations on paper. For now, Eris continues to guard its secrets. We study it from a distance, using the James Webb Space Telescope and other powerful instruments, slowly piecing together the composition of its surface and its mysterious behavior. But the dream of one day sending a spacecraft into its shadow, that dream is still waiting for its moment.